Dino Damage sure has evolved over the last 30 years. They don't even call it Dino Damage anymore. Now it's called Extreme Damage. How damaged are you? I'm extremely damaged. Let's take a quick look at the new Extreme Damage Roaring Allosaurus and a brief evolution of Dino Damage throughout Kenner and Mattel. We're gonna leave out hands. That's my uncle! Have you ever seen Kenner Dino Damage? In the flesh. Kenner Dino Damage, 1993. Took kids by storm. Like, whoa, no way. You're telling me you can damage the dinosaur with another dinosaur? That was just unreal. It really upped play factor. It really upped the sad factor because kids, lost these. Parents swept them up with the garbage and threw them out. Sometimes it was in the box, hidden, because they didn't want people to just yank them out in the store. So, I'm sure there was lots of times where the box just got thrown out and some poor kid never even had a chance to experience his Dino Damage, not even once. Oh, what a sad story. There were several attempts made by different people to make replacements. So this is an example of one I bought from someone off eBay forever ago in Europe when I didn't have a Triceratops with a piece. And as you can see, they tried, but this is an old damaged young T-Rex that I just used as a Kenner kind of retro repaint of the Red Rex. And it's Dino Damage. As you can see, this Dino Damage is identical. It's made out of a different material, and it has a SidTech logo on the back of it, so you can distinguish it from an authentic piece. So thank God for 3D printers. Now it doesn't matter if you're missing one of these, you can get one made. The last of the 3 original Kenner dinosaurs with Dino Damage is the Stegosaurus. And as you can see, he just rips out right here. It's really cool. These were so cool back in the day. I personally didn't like this Stegosaurus very much. I did, but the plates bothered me a lot because I didn't think that they looked like Stegosaurus plates were supposed to look. And the tail, it only had 2, maybe 3 kind of spikes, and that really, really bothered me a lot. To the point where when I had the chance to get this figure, I always chose something different instead, and I never had one until I was an adult, but I love it now. Then Mattel shows up and starts doing some really cool stuff. So, this is the Mattel Battle Damaged Spinosaurus. And lo and behold, look at that. And not only is that crazy, this skin comes down, and then his bones break, and you can even press this button to make his seem like his heart is beating or something. It's kind of cool inside the bones. So that was awesome, and people go crazy for this figure here. Then they came out with this kind of simpler version. This is another really great figure. I had a chance to get 2 of these and I only got 1. I left 1 on the shelf for someone else. I almost regret doing that, but that's okay. So that pops down, that pops up. It's a bit squishy, but it doesn't flip and turn like the other one. But this figure in general is it's one of my favorites for sure. Love it. Just click it back down. Push this one up, and this one it always goes up inside if you shake it too much, I find. I don't know how loose anyone else's is, but mine seems to be that way. And we have this mini kind of rolling version, which is pretty cool, especially for such a small figure. So these were great. This is a Herosaurus.
I'm a Allosaurus, see? With battle damage, see? Oh, someone take me to the Flintstones hospital.
Then And they have this version, which is also really cool. It rolls as well, but just got these kind of clawed out indents. This sculpt is just great anyway. I wish it was a darker color. They just re-released this for Jurassic World, but they didn't do a very good paint app on it. At least I don't think so. They went with a smaller version of that for the new Dominion ones, which is just great. Look at that! Wow! I'm so injured. Oh, I'm so injured. Look at me. I need medicine. The sculpt is much more detailed, obviously, because it's much bigger. All the pebbling and skin texture is just really great. I love what they've done around the eye here. It's great spines down here. Very large figure. I love it. I do. His battle damage comes down like that. This doesn't flick up, which is good because it's not going to constantly flick up when it's closed. But it's a bit, you gotta kind of get in there at it to get it up. And then you can just see this just like the Albertosaurus. But this guy is great. And he roars. He's got claws, which are not painted. Why would you expect that? Got your neck implant. You got your digital chip implant. Definitely my new favorite Allosaurus. Which one's yours?